everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for home loan on Capitec Bank. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.capitechhomeloans.co.za and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Capitec, click on the Apply Now button at the top of the screen. Go ahead and select one of the area that you would like to apply for and click it on. In today's video, since it's a new home loan, let's click on this first option. Go through the information first. You'll need to answer a few questions to start your home loan application. You'll need to enter your personal information, your loan details, and you'll need to review and submit your application. Click on Start Application and go ahead and answer some of the questions. Pick either yes or no from the options. And once you are done, click the Continue button. Under Personal Information, go ahead and fill in your personal details. First, go ahead and type in your ID number in the first text box and select your title from the next. Enter your first name on the next field and then type in your last name. Select your marital status. Under Contact Details, enter your email address that is valid. Confirm your email address by retyping it again. Now enter your phone number on the next field. Confirm your phone number again. You can also enter your work phone number, but if you don't want to do that, you can skip this step since it is an optional. Right under Address Details, type in your unit number, your building number and your name, street number and your name. Fill in all of the information, for example, your suburb or village, province, city, and your postal code. You'll also need to fill in your income information. Go ahead and type in your income type, your monthly household income, and check on these little boxes if this income will contribute towards your loan repayment on a monthly basis. If yes, select the box. If not, leave it unchecked. And after you click on all of the boxes, after going through it, scroll down and fill in other information needed as well. After you are done filling all of the information on this page, click the Continue button and follow the on-screen prompts till the end in order to apply for home loans on Capitec Bank. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.